Hello dear students, welcome you all to the 29th lecture of rural marketing. And in today's lecture, we are going to discuss a case study. It is about the ITC e-Chopal. So let's start the case. So e-Chopal is an initiative of ITC Limited, and it links directly with the rural farmers via internet for procurement of agriculture and aquaculture products like soybean, wheat, coffee, and prawns. And it tackles this e-Chopal tackles the challenges faced by the Indian agriculture sectors, and which could be characterized like fragmented farms, weak infrastructure, and involvement of the intermediaries. So to run this program, the ITC has installed computers with internet access in the rural areas of India, and through which they offer farmers up-to-date marketing and agriculture information. So let's see, first of all, we will discuss a little bit about ITC. So ITC, Indian Tobacco Company, it was founded in 1910. And its business, if you will say, the tobacco, cigarettes, paper, packaging, paper boats, hotels, tourism, etc. are its business. And if we will see its agri export drives, so it basically deals with soybeans, coffee, and oil seeds. Okay, so the largest internet-based intervention in rural India, e-Chopal, was initiated by ITC, and it has grown into an ecosystem of services that address diverse rural needs, from agriculture extension and other farm related offering to retail avenues to insurance and healthcare. So it not only deals with the agri information and agri buying and selling, but it deals about the insurance, retail sector, and healthcare for the farmers. So let's see one by one. Let's see how some information about e-Chopal here. So e-Chopal was initiated in the year 2000 June with the initial investment of $1,000 to $3,000, and the costs was split into giving training and commission to the Sanchalak. Sanchalak is a person who is appointed in the villages, who knows how to run a computer and internet, and who gives the information to the rural farmers, real-time information. Okay, and he is the we can say the intermediary between the ITC and the farmers. And most of the costs went for largest internet-based initiative they have started. Almost 1,300 chopals are there, and it links 7,500 villages, and it is serving almost 1 million farmers in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. Now, what are the information farmers can get through this chopal? They can get the information about crop prices, weather related information, scientific farming projects, farmer peer groups, and soil testing services could be provided under the e-Chopal. And all this information is made available in Hindi and in local languages also. And transportation cost is reimbursed for these Chopals. So ITC has set up village internet kiosks, already we have discussed, which are called e-Chopal, which gives real-time up-to-date information. Like up-to-date information, we can say that the information related to the current price of the crop today. Okay, so that if the prices are good, the farmer can go directly to e-Chopal and sell its crop there if they are getting the good price. So weather information, price discovery, agri knowledge, and how to like how to make a field before cultivation, how to treat seeds, which kind of pesticide is good. So all these kind of information they can get in e-Chopal. And these kiosks are managed by trained local farmers who help the local agriculture community to assess the information in local language. And with appropriate knowledge of service available virtually at the farm gate, farmers have been able to rise productivity, improve quality, manage risk, and earn better prices. And by creating a more effective marketing channel, eChopal reduce transaction cost and help farmers to adjust or fine-tune crop types and qualities to changing trends. So farmers can know the trends, what are the trends or what kind of crops are in more demand in the market, and accordingly they can cultivate that kind of crop. So overall, if you will see what kind of services this eChopal is offering, so providing farmers easy access to real-time relevant information. This could be get through eChopal village internet kiosk. Then raising agri competencies through knowledge and technology transfer. Then bringing appropriate farm and non-farm service close to the farmer's doorstep, and expanding choices services for evolving rural customers. So Chopal Hearts Mahotsav are there. Okay, Swasthya Chopal is there. It is more related to the healthcare. So all these kind of facilities or information can be get farmers can get from eChopal. Now with the help of one video, I will share with you one video, and in this video we will say that how exactly this eChopal is helping rural farmers and what are their experience. I hope it is visible now to everyone. Let's see this video first. So I hope with the help of this video, I'm able to explain you the concept of eChopal. You can visit to the ITC's you can visit to ITC's website also to get more information about eChopal. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.